Good morning. I am out here harvesting some food and I see my carrots look like they have been ready for me to pull those up. So I figured, hey, why not get on video and show everybody how to harvest carrots. It's in a pot, as you can see. It's not in the ground. I grew it in the ground last year and the dirt was like really thick and it was like kind of had a clay substance, so the carrot wasn't free to grow like it needed to. So I got a couple out of there, but I wasn't pleased with them, so I decided to try to grow it in a pot this year. Okay, as you can see, when you're growing carrots, when they're ready for you to harvest, you'll start seeing the top part of it that's connected to the plant. It'll start sticking through the dirt and let you know that it's ready. So you just take it and you just wiggle it a little bit. What is it? That's like triplets. I'll put that down there. See, this one is ready too. But it's another part that's connected to it. I don't want to pull that up. That ain't ready. Make sure I just get this part. Look at that. Ooh. I'm excited. I got one that grew straight. Look at that. That is huge. I can't wait to get the ruler and see how long it actually is. It's a couple of them that's ready. It's another good size one. I'm gonna get that one back there. I'm gonna let that one stay in there. This, I don't know if that's just a root or if it's something. Well, it is a root, but I don't know how big that carrot is on there, so I'm going to let that stay up under there a little longer. Put the dirt back around every year. I just wanted to do a little video early in the morning. I ain't been out here in a couple days, and I got a lot of stuff that was ready for harvest, so I'm glad I came out here today. Got some of this positive energy, some of this life. So I'm about to go out here and get my tomatoes and my peppers next. Have a good day.